Jai Gurudev. Saukhyama irukingala? Everybody is fine?
Jai Gurudev, sir.
Good.
நல்லா இருக்கோம் சார். நீங்க எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
நல்லா இருக்கேம்மா. With all your love.
Thank you.
See, my very attempt to take this knowledge session is to make a mark or to assure the greatness of the Sudarshana Kriya. Sudarshana Kriya is a gift by Mother Nature through our Sadguru, Sri Sri Ravi Shankar. Nothing can come near the Sudarshana Kriya. Very first day he touches the prana, the pranayama. No yoga teacher will dare to touch the importance of breath on the very first day. Because most of the yoga system, they follow the Ashtanga Yoga of Patanjali. Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama. First, they will teach you how to make your body flexible so that the flow of prana or the bloodstream, which carries the RBC, the container of the oxygen. So first, any yoga teacher will make your body slowly flexible, and then only he will touch the pranayama or your lungs, the breathing exercises. Whereas Guruji on the very first day makes you to do the Ujjaya breath, the real breath, what you have been breathing, we all have been breathing as the little ones, as the little tender ones, the moment we are born. So you need to know about all this. That is why I go through many yoga books and the scriptures made by Siddhas, Siddhargal and so many people for your benefit. And I always get it connected with the Sudarshana Kriya. Yappadi Sudarshana Kriya is the ultimate culmination of all the knowledge of the Sadgurus from eons. That is the very purpose why I take up this knowledge session. The more you listen and keep doing Shravana, Manana, Nidhityasana, listen to it and then keep munching over it and then keep recollecting what we have been doing. Then it becomes a part and parcel of it. So Sudarshana Kriya cleanses all your 72,000 nadis and lifts you to the path of the spirituality. You are assured to reach the goal for what the human birth is given to you. So based on that only, I refer to all the Siddhar Padalgal. Siddhargal, they were there thousands of years ago. But still, what they have been telling thousands of years ago still holds good through our Sadguru, as he feeds us as a mother, the little things, ultimately making us understand how fortunate we are. Even last week when we happened to attend the upgradation course, there Guruji says, be committed to the Kriya, be committed to the Satsang, and be committed to the Seva. Be regular in your sadhana. First point. Second point, Satsang. Satsang means with whom you are moving. Because others, prana, we are all made up of water element. Knowingly or unknowingly, their vibrations get into you. You get their imprints in you, in your chitta, in your memory. So always choose to move with people. By moving, ask yourself whether you are able to feel expansion. If you happen to feel the shrinking, say Jai Gurudev and withdraw. It is not. You are protecting yourself. You are doing good to others. That the gossip mongers, thereby you lose your energy and you are making the other person to fuel what nonsense you are undergoing using the prana. And lastly, this seva. What benefits you get, do not keep it yourself. Share it with others happily. Care and share. So today I am going to take up once again. There was a great Siddha Konganar. Konganar is a very Siddha. Our Jiva Samadhi அடைந்த இடம் தான் திருப்பதி. இன்றைக்கு திருப்பதியில பணம் அப்படி கொட்டுறது அப்படின்னா it's because of the pranic vibrations, positive vibrations by the Konganava Siddha. தமிழ்ல கொங்கணவர்பாங்க. His name is Kongana. He is the direct disciple of the great Bogar. The Bogar Siddhar who has made the Navapashana Silai of the Padani Malai, Murugan. Danda Tapani. Enma?
இல்ல சார் ஒண்ணும்
So Bogar, he happens to go to China to spread the message. There he gets involved and loses touch with India, his mother country. It is Kongana who misses his guru and goes all the way to China to get him back. Only after that, Bogar Siddhar happens to spend his last days making the Navapashana Silai of the Murugan. There are 2 statues he has made. 2 Muruga Silai irukku. Innonnu irukkiradhu vandu Kollimalai irukku. Adu kadavul. The one is one we are now worshipping it in the Padani, Ten Padani. So with this background, today I am going to take one பாடல் தெரியலமா. இது கொல்லிமலை சொன்னாங்க எனக்கு. That's the information. இப்போ அதை பார்க்கலாம். இது வந்து perhaps may not be interesting to Judy, unfortunately or fortunately. I would expect her to come little by Siddhas. இப்போ அந்த பாடலை பார்க்கலாம். காட்டு முயலுக்கு 4 கால், மேட்டு முயலுக்கு 3 கால். மேட்டு முயல் முக்கால் முயலும் முழு முயலே ஆனாக்கால் அக்கால் வெளியாம் அது. என்னடா முயலுங்கிறாங்க காலுங்கிறாங்க பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கலாம். எப்பவுமே மறைபொருளை தான் சொல்லுவாங்க சித்தர்கள். அது போல கொங்கனுடைய பாட்டு இது. காட்டு முயலுக்கு 4 கால். அது உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். முயலுக்கு எத்தனை காலு? 4 கால். சோ 4 கால்ல அது தன்னுடைய உயிர் வாழ்ந்துட்டு இருக்கு. அடுத்தது மேட்டு முயலுக்கு 3 கால். மேடு என்பது நம்முடைய உச்சி. இதுதான் தி சஹஸ்ரஹாரா. இங்க போறதுக்கு கால் என்றால் காற்று, கால் என்றால் மூச்சு, கால் என்றால் வாசி. நம்முடைய மூலாதாரத்திலிருந்து கிளம்பக்கூடிய 3 முக்கியமான நாடிகள் இடகலை, பிங்கலை, சுஷும்னா. அந்த மேட்டு முயலுக்கு 3 கால். அந்த 3 நாடிகளின் வழியாகத்தான் நம்முடைய நிலையை நாம் உணர முடியும். மூலாதாரத்தில் your kundalini energy is frozen. By doing the Sudarshana Kriya, you are heating up that Mooladhara, and slowly that muyal, muyal means your efforts. There are 2 meanings for muyal. One is muyal, kaatu muyal. Innonnu muyal means your efforts. Aduthan sadhana. Metu muyalukku 3 kaal. So you have to put forth your efforts. தெய்வத்தால் ஆகாதெனினும் முயற்சி தன் மெய்வருத்த கூலி தரும். அது போல you do your self effort and reach from Mooladhara the energy to your Sahasrahara. மேட்டு முயலுக்கு 3 கால். மேட்டு முயல் முக்கால் முயலும். By doing all the Sudarshana Kriya and Sadhana, you can reach up to Ajna. Either is given in the Vijnana Bhairava also. This is a Triveni Sangama. Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. Ganga, Yamuna are the Idakalai Pingalai. Saraswati is the Sushumna. So up to here you can reach. But how to reach your Sahasrahara? It is totally out and out by the Charanagati. By your total surrender. Guruji ரொம்ப அழகா சொல்வார். Surrender, surrender சொல்றியே. What is there as yours to surrender? Nothing is yours. Where is the question of surrender? Nothing is yours. You have come empty-handed. You are going to go back with the emptiness only. Surrender means the ego. The ego is the one which always clings to you. It is a surrendering of your I, me, my, mine. The ego. Only by surrendering Dharnagati, the grace of the God, the grace of Sadgurus, the grace of the Acharyas will lift us to our Sahasrahara. This is what exactly happened to Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. He was such a great devotee of Mother Kali. By means of emotional uplift, he could go up to the Ajna. But he was very happy in the Bhakti. In the Bhakti up to Inginarko. Then the grace sends the salvation by means of the great Advaita Jnani, Totapuri. Totapuri only helps Ramakrishna Paramahamsa to get uplifted to the highest Sahasraha. அது வேற கதை. எதுக்கு சொல்றேன்னா, with human efforts you can go up to Ajna. Then only by surrendering your ego you can go to the Sahasrahara. That is what is the symbolical representation of Nataraja. Isn't it? இடது காலை தூக்கி ஆடும். Isn't it? He lifts his இடது கால். What is வலது கால் கீழ என்ன இருக்கு? முயலகன் என்ற ராட்சசன். முயலகன் means ego. நான் பண்ணுவேன், நான் வெட்டி முறிப்பேன், இதை பண்ணுவேன், அதை பண்ணுவேன். That is kept totally under the crushed under the feet of the Nataraja. Then the Ananda, the bliss, it comes out spontaneously. That is what is a Ananda Tandavam. So, இங்க பார்த்தோம்னா முக்கால் முயலும், you can go up to முக்கால் means 3/4. என்ன அழகான தமிழ் விளையாடுது பாருங்க. காலுன்னா காற்று, முக்கால்னா 3/4, முயல்னா எஃபர்ட்ஸ், முயல்னா once again you have got the hair. இவ்வளவு இத்தனை அழகு தமிழ்ல வரும். முக்கால் முயலும் முழு முயலே ஆனாக்கால், when you are able to reach your Sahasrahara by means of the grace, அக்கால் வெளியாம் அது. அக்கால் means on that reaching that point, வெளியாம், it's nothing but the space. You are nothing but space. You are nothing but space, because the space contains everything. The space is contained within everything. That is the ultimate. That is what is the Chidambara Rakasyam. When you are able to lift up your Kundalini energy, when it reaches the highest, you feel that you are containing the whole cosmos and you are contained in each and every creation in the cosmos. That is the ultimate liberation, to know yourself. That is the ultimate enlightenment for the great Buddhas. Beautiful song, you know. Once again, we will read it slowly. காட்டு முயலுக்கு 4 கால், நான் பிடித்த மேட்டு முயலுக்கு 3 கால். நான் பிடித்த, when you are breathing in, hold, breathe out, remain empty. நான் பிடித்த, you are holding the breath. நான் பிடித்த மேட்டு முயலுக்கு, the breath I am raising, 3 கால். My attempt is to cleanse my ida, pingala, sushum. மேட்டுக்கால் முக்கால் முயலும். That மேட்டு முயல் முக்கால் முயலும். I can put forth my efforts up to Ajna. முக்கால் 3/4. முழு முயலே ஆனாக்கால், by the grace, if I am able to reach the Sahasrahara, அக்கால் வெளியாம் அது. That is the ultimate. இது கொங்கணர் சித்தருடைய ஞான கோவைங்கிற பாட்டுல வந்து. இதுல பார்த்தோம்னா, when you do so hum, so hum, so hum, so hum, automatically your breath reaches up and down in a rhythmic way. Then easily you are able to feel the Ajna. That is what you are there beautifully with all whole serenity and peace when you are doing the Yoga Nidra. When you are totally. So Sudarshana Kriya is the one which can lift you up to your Ajna. Then Bhakti, Charanagati. There is a great Sadguru. இதெல்லாம் award energy தான் நாம இந்த வெளி, the ultimate we are able to reach. Once again I read. காட்டு முயலுக்கு 4 கால், நான் பிடித்த மேட்டு முயலுக்கு 3 கால். மேட்டு முயல் முக்கால் முயலும் முழு முயலே ஆனாக்கால், அக்கால் வெளியாம் அது. It's a beautiful சித்தர் பாடலாம் கொங்கணர். சரியா? I am very happy to share this with you. So my knowledge session ultimately converges and gets culminated with the efficacy and the efficiency of the great Sudarshana Kriya. We are all so fortunate, so fortunate. No question of compromise. There's no parallel at all. Out of experience I am talking. You feel the bliss. You feel the elixir. You can feel the Amridam coming from your Sahasrahara through your Ulnak, Kuttinak. அது எச்சில் மூலமா தித்திப்பா வெளிப்படும். Then you need nothing. Your dependence on the material food will become minimal, but still you'll be healthy. You will remain as long as you want. Okay? So we'll go like this. Judy, could you enjoy this session?
சார் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது.
I don't know.
எழுதிட்டேன். அதான்
I put
தாத்துங்க
forth my efforts.
ரொம்ப நல்லா
I am
இருந்தது.
concerned about Judy. Thank you. Thank you. So next week we'll meet. Thank you, Arun, for the opportunity.
Sir,
Life is love. Life is joy. Life is
Thank you.
enthusiasm. எங்க முரளி ஜெயந்தியை காணோம்?
sir.